Hello, Bulls. I bet you're wondering how your financial aid will be used to pay your bill. Well, here's how it works. Your tuition payment is due at the end of the 5th day of classes each semester. Financial aid is paid on the 7th day of classes after your enrollment is confirmed. If you have enough financial aid to pay your bill, it will be paid at the end of drop add. If there is money left over, you will receive a refund from the Student Accounting Services Office in one of two ways. By Thursday of the second week of classes, if you have subscribed to e-deposit in Student Self-Service, or by paper check in the mail, which is sent to the local address listed in Student Self-Service. If you don't have enough financial aid to pay your bill and you have a financial aid tuition deferment, your payment will be due by the tuition deferment expiration date. You can find the due date in Student Self-Service by going to the financial aid menu and reviewing the displayed messages. A couple of final reminders. Make sure you finish the classes you start during the semester. Review the terms and conditions you accepted so you are aware of what may happen if you drop or withdraw from classes, reduce your enrollment, etc. If you'd like to know more, check out the Financial Aid and My Bill section on the Know This page of our website. Thanks for watching, and as always, go Bulls!